Hello les copains! Today, on va suivre Fiona le Renard dans une aventure printanière. Let's see what she finds. Let's go! Before we get started, here are a few words for you to learn. Butterfly, un papillon. Fox, le renard. Sun, le soleil. Bird, l'oiseau. Bee, l'abeille. Flowers, les fleurs. And spring, le printemps. Here we go for Fiona's springtime adventure. It's spring, the sun is shining, the flowers are blooming. Fiona the Fox wakes up. Good morning, spring, says Fiona. Fiona walks outside. She sees birds. Tweet, tweet, sing the birds. Fiona sees a butterfly. Hello, butterfly, says Fiona. The butterfly flaps its wings. Fiona sees flowers, red flowers, yellow flowers, blue flowers. Bzzz, go the bees. Fiona sees her friends. Duck says, quack, quack. Squirrel says, chitter chatter, and frog says, ribbit, ribbit. Fiona smiles. I love spring, she says. The sun goes down. Fiona goes home. Good night, says Fiona. Okay, quiz time. How many words do you remember? Comment appelle-t-on cet animal en anglais? Fox. Very good. What do we call this animal? Bird. Très bien. Comment appelle-t-on cet insecte en anglais? Butterfly. Yes. What do we call this insect? Bee. Right. Did you get them all right? Okay, les copains. C'est la fin de notre histoire. Did you like it? Thank you for watching. À bientôt pour une nouvelle vidéo. Bye bye.